He's gonna pour some whiskey into the leftovers, the juices of the bone marrow. Now he's gonna drink it. Ooh, wow. Oh my God, amazing. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. Today I partnered with Visit Jacksonville to show you the best of the city. Wow, the food here is incredible, beer's delicious, and today I'm taking you to breweries and to eat some food. Let's hit the road, let's go. Our first stop is Bold City Brewery here in downtown. It's actually only 2 blocks away from my hotel, the Hyatt Regency Riverfront, which is literally right there. And here's Bold City. Here they have a lot of different beers. I mean, this is like their tap room in downtown. They also have a production facility outside the city. And let's go inside.
My name is Will Frazier. I work here at Bold City Brewery downtown. This is our second location. We've been in business for about 10 years. And our production facility, which is in Riverside, Jacksonville, is where everything started. We opened this location here downtown about a year ago. It's been great because it actually has allowed us to experiment with more recipes. We have 3 different brewers on staff right now, so they each come down, come up with their own concoctions, and then come down here, make them happen. Anytime you come down, you may see any type of beers, from sours to Belgians to stouts to Berliner Weiss. Lots of different recipes, which is really cool. And one thing we like to do here is we will mix a couple beers. Some people are totally against that. I can understand, but it's something that we've done over the years, and it's been a lot of fun. Also convenient, like if a restaurant has the Killer Whale and the Dukes on, it allows them to do the Duke of Wales, which is a mix of the two, and that gives them a third beer to work with. So we also do the Mad Manatee and the Dukes, which we like to call the Mad Dog, the Dukes, and the Red Ale, which we call the Red Dog, and then there's the Killer Red also, the Killer Whale and the 1901 Roasted Red Ale. So there's a lot of cool little things. We actually even make the Roselle Street Sweet Tea, which is actually a suicide of all the beers. And I know some people may think that's completely insane, but it actually tastes pretty good. Just ask the folks that have tried it. So, but yeah, that's what we do here. And like I said, we've been open for a year and 60 recipes at this point. By next year, we'll do another 100 recipes or so.
So, what do we have and where do I start?
Okay, so I guess you should start with the specialties first.
The specialties, so these, okay. So this is the apricot wheat.
Correct.
Looks like a very light beer, very clear. I mean, apricot wheat.
That's our summer seasonal that we do.
Nice, it's light. A beach beer. The Gentleman Rye. Oh, I love it.
It's great, right?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Spice with it.
It's a farmhouse beer.
Correct.
Farmhouse ale, I guess that's what they say. Yeah.
Ale, correct.
So the third one is the Crimson American.
Kettle sour.
Oh, it's a sour.
Soft water. And
that's great. It's not too tarty, I guess. Yeah. Very candy-ish.
Yes.
The Duval Devil, and Duval is the county that we're in.
It is.
Duval.
Yes.
So Duval County. It's a Belgian strip. Okay.
Golden Belgian.
It's good, man.
Yeah.
I feel like this one's a strong one. Is it?
Yeah, that's about 8%.
8%? All right, give me another one.
Okay.
Okay, so one of the most unique things about this brewery is that they mix beers. A lot of people don't do that. I don't know why, but here they do it. And they do it with actually 4 different beers that you guys mix. So we're gonna start with the Duke of Wales. So Duke's Cold Nose Brown Ale and the Killer Whale Cream Ale. Cause I feel like this is a brown slash with cream. I mean, I don't know. I mean, that's what I'm tasting here.
That's exactly what it is. The brown and the Killer Whale.
The Mad Dog. So the Dukes again with the Mad Manatee. Got some manatees in Florida for sure.
Oh yeah, they're very upset.
No man, they're in the Crystal River chilling. All right, so the next one is the Red Dog. The Dukes again, 1901 Roasted Red Ale, the Dukes. Oh, it's amazing. I think having the Dukes in everything, that brown ale, really gives it like a roasty, nice flavor, you know?
Oh yeah.
The next one is the Killer Red, so it's the Killer Whale mixed with the 1901 Roasted Red Ale. Okay. You taste creamy part to it. I gotta stay on this side. These are my favorites for sure. The Red Dog, that's the winner.
Yep.
Bold City Brewery. What? That place is incredible. Mixing beers is something so unique. Some people don't like it. I actually love it, especially when it's brown ales and stouts and porters mixing with red ales and IPAs, and just crazy. It's just different. Love it. Bold City Brewery. Gotta visit when you're here in Jacksonville, downtown Jacksonville. Right next to Calford Chop House. Hyatt Regency's right there. A must visit. And next up, we're going to Matthews. Matthews is like one of the best restaurants in the city. We're going there to have some cocktails, maybe have some food. I'm excited. I'm a little hungry. We've arrived here at Matthews. It's here in San Marco. Restaurant looks great. They have some of the best food in the city.
Hi, I'm Chef Alex. I'm the chef at Matthews Restaurant. We've been here for 21 years, located at 2107 Hendricks Avenue. About the first pioneer of, when Chef Matthew opened the restaurant, it was a pioneer of fine dining. And ever since then, we've been trying to be a little bit more creative, a little bit more introducing Jacksonville to just local product, good product flowing in from Hawaii, from Japan. We have a Kobe that's amazing from Japan, and it's pretty much what we try to do, and kind of squeezing our techniques and creativity into our dishes. Very intimate bar, only a few seats, but you'll know you come in 2 hours a day from 4:30 to 6:30 that we have a great happy hour and a great food for $5 each.
All right, smoke a drink. Whew. That's strong, dude.
Do a beef tartare inside of a bone marrow. Quite typical beef tartare, but it's kind of nice because it has some red peppers in it. Do you like tartare?
Love it.
Oh good, then you're in for a treat.
So this is their #1 appetizer, $5 during happy hour. Tuna tacos with wakame salad, so seaweed salad, sriracha aioli, and sesame seeds. They look very delicate. I love it. It's like a Japanese flair on a taco. I'm gonna eat both of them. I was gonna say it's a little spicy. This is a fine dining taco. That's melon.
Yeah, that's melon.
Okay. Because it looks like cantaloupe in a way. My family's Italian, and we usually eat this for dessert. Melone with prosciutto on top. Amazing. It's very nice, delicate, sweet, more refreshing in a way. So mozzarella burrata mousse is better than melone with prosciutto. Final dish. Okay, I gotta say, this is probably the most unique bone marrow plate I've ever seen. They cut the bone in half. Bone marrow is obviously inside. Then we have the beef tartare on top. Definitely need a spoon for this. So get in here, like that, right? So you got just a fat, delicious bite. Wow, look at that. There's just so much bone marrow in here. My dad would die for this. I don't even know what to call this. This is just like a delicious piece of beef. And the thing is, what type of bone is this? Because the bone marrow is huge. Yeah, it's just beef. I think this is like the winner in Jacksonville for me. This plate. I've never had a dish like this. This is one of the most unique things I've ever had. I need this. We're gonna do something a little crazy, guys. He's gonna pour some whiskey into the leftovers, the juices of the bone marrow. Now I'm just gonna drink it. Ooh, wow. Oh my God, amazing. Oh my God, that coconut panna cotta. Panna cotta? With melon. It's like a melon sauce. It's just like melted through this white chocolate. Am I supposed to do this? Mix it up? Very light dessert. It's not too heavy. Most of them are usually like chocolate brownie, chocolate cake, you know? No, but this is so amazing. Should I just drop everything in? Get in there, mix it up. Got white chocolate. A lot of people don't like white chocolate. I personally love it. This is an amazing dessert. I have another restaurant, but whatever. Wow, Matthews. Amazing fine dining food here. My favorite thing for sure was the bone marrow. That thing was huge. I've never had bone marrow that big and that delicate and juicy and just yummy. I love Jacksonville. Jacksonville is surprising me in a good way. Next up, we're going to another restaurant. It's called Orsay. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey, so we're here at Orsay. Orsay is a mix. It's French, also Southern American cuisine. They say the food here is to die for. I'm going with a beer that is not local. This is from Colorado, from Breckenridge. This is a vanilla porter. There's just something about dark beers So creamy. First plate is a venison tenderloin. We got some cabbage underneath. We have some potatoes, a cauliflower puree, and a red wine jus. Yeah. Black onyx cocoa rub. It's like a perfect medium rare for me. So tender, very juicy. It's a great mix with the cabbage and the cauliflower puree. Venison just has this gamey, yummy taste, and the cauliflower puree is amazing with it. Well, here we have foie gras. It's just a lot of delicious things here. I mean, I don't know. Foie gras is one of my favorite things in the world. I mean, the custard bread and the beets give it such a unique taste. Yeah. Like, so different. You have to eat this. The foie gras is like butter. Foie gras. Scallop appetite. Here we have the scallops. This is one of my favorite things from the sea. Scallops. It's a very easy dish. Basil, some onions, tomatoes, olive oil, and this is the best part right here. The scallop just falls apart. It's very buttery. Dude, what is this?
Duck rillettes here, confit. Also have a pâté du jour.
So a lot of duck in there.
Oh yeah, we use a lot of duck here. Down the center is a boudin blanc. It's a chicken sausage, and then the one on the right in front of the lens is the trois fois mousse.
This is duck rillette. It's so like, almost like creamy. I guess because of duck fat.
The fat, yeah, there's a lot of fat emulsified back into it.
What next? Duck again?
Yeah, let's jump into the Grand Mare duck.
The mix with the mustard. The mustard got a little hot.
Yeah, duck liver as well. So
chicken liver, foie gras, duck liver. It's like butter, man.
yeah,
Give it a little
definitely cuts it, you know.
dessert taste to it, you know?
Yeah.
So we got the boudin blanc. This is chicken sausage. Soft, delicate. Here we have a very unique dessert. A baguette, lemon creme inside, buttermilk ice cream, pecan crumbles, and lavender or something in there. Golden rings.
Yeah. There you go.
It just pops. I know it's gonna be the best thing in the world right now. What do you guys think? Ooh. It's like hot, and then it's freezing with the ice cream. It should be on the menu forever.
My name is Michael McKinney. I'm the executive chef here at Restaurant Orsay, Jacksonville, Florida. Been around about 9 years now, coming up on our 10th year. We call ourselves a restaurant that uses French technique with Southern influences. We've been around for a while. It's doing great. Talk about like the French techniques and the Southern traditions. We try to use things like the venison leg tenders with a little bit of the French technique and how we cook it and the braising. And another good example is the lobster pot pie is a great like Southern dish that we turn into with like a twist with a French flair. Along with that, we also have a craft cocktail program that we do everything in-house. All of our infusions are done in-house for our cocktails. We have a full pastry program here that is done in-house. Restaurant Orsay, we're located at 3630 Park Street in the Avondale area of Jacksonville, Florida.
Man, Orsay was amazing. That food was so good. For me, the duck foie gras was the best thing on earth. I love the space here, very spacious, you know, many dining rooms, and the bar looks beautiful, but I didn't really want to drink because now I'm going to a brewery. We're going to Intuition Ale Works in downtown next to the stadium. It's our last stop of the night. Let's head over there and try some beers. Intuition Ale Works is a tap room and brewery. I think it's the largest brewery in Jacksonville. It's located right here next to the stadium in downtown, and they have a lot of beers. From what I'm seeing, they have strong ales, they have lagers, they have Kolsch, Belgian triples, they have porters, pale ale, IPA, session IPA, stouts, West Coast IPA, American pale ale, English golden ale. What else do they have? My God, they have barley wine. Oh, I can't wait to have a barley wine. That's what I'm gonna have. I think I'm gonna just try all the strong stuff.
Hey, I'm Bronson Olympia. I'm one of the assistant taproom managers down here at Intuition Ale Works, 929 East Bay Street, right by stadium where the JAX play. Intuition Ale Works was founded in 2010 by owner-founder Ben Davis, and we opened up this location in 2016 down here by the stadium. So our core beers right now, we have Jumbo, which is a golden ale, nice, easy drinking light beer. Then we also have our I-10, which is the #1 seller in Jacksonville. It's a nice West Coast IPA. And then we also have a session IPA known as Easy on the Eyes, more citra forward there as well. And then right now we're about to release our new core beer, which is going to be Daybreak. So we have our Underdark on right now. Underdark is barrel-aged stout. We have a huge party for it the first Saturday of February every year. We release that beer. It's a different barrel every year. Last year it was Willet Rye. This year coming up it's going to be Buffalo Trace. So yeah, we're Intuition Ale Works, so we predominantly do ales. We do have a couple lagers on sometimes. Right now we have El Guapo on it. It's a Mexican lager. But besides that, mostly ales. A lot of them barrel aged. We have barley wines right now. Everything from barley wine, IPAs, gozas, sours, stouts, double IPAs, a little bit of everything.
Okay, wow. So we have 4 of the core beers and 4 of the really strong beers. Like I told you earlier, they have some barley wine, they have strong ales, they have ciders. I mean, they have a lot of cool, unique stuff. Start with the cores?
Start with the cores. Let's get a little mellow.
Right here?
Start with our Jumbo. We call it a coastal ale.
Okay.
It's going to be your traditional style English ale.
Nice. This is what they were drinking in the 1300s in England.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Straightforward, easy drinking.
Very light.
Sitting on the lake.
Lake, beach, wherever you want.
Yeah, absolutely. People's Pale Ale. It's our flagship beer. It's the first beer we ever brewed.
Oh yeah, first beer?
First beer. Original recipe. Traditional American style pale ale.
Very nice. You know what I like about pale ales? They're not as hoppy as IPAs.
Correct.
This is like, it feels like it's right there, you know?
Yeah. I-10. It's our West Coast style IPA.
Yeah, hoppy but not overbearing. It's a little creamy, right?
Yeah. Nice amber.
And I-10, that is the highway that crosses from Florida all the way to LA. In LA they call it 10. Yeah, they cut the I off. So 4.5% session IPA.
Have a nice drinking session, that's where the term comes from.
Light. Yeah, I can drink a few of these. And if I drink a few of these, I won't really feel it, so.
Right.
So now we're jumping into the strong stuff. This stuff's made for men. Vikings and shit.
Yeah. We're gonna start with the alt beer. It's our alternative medicine.
So it's very malty. It feels almost like a brown in a way.
8.7, buddy.
8.7. Okay, it's good. I like it.
So we'll go with Matanzas.
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 Okay.
We got some Spanish influence here.
So you barrel aged it in tequila barrels.
Yes.
I've never seen that.
Yes.
Has like a fruity, creamy taste. But I'm sure I'll feel it later.
Yeah.
Next one.
All right, Snake in the Grass.
Snake in the Grass.
So it's our double IPA. Comes out to bite you. Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't taste it at all. This is delicious though, man. And then here we go, the last one.
All right, so we saved our Miles Jack Wasn't Down. Everybody knows that. It's the first part of our Founder Series. Belgian triple.
Number 1, number 2, number 2, number 1, and the rest are behind. They're all good, they're all unique. It's funny because you see them and they all look very clear and you think they're light, you know. They're messing with you guys. Okay. Intuition Ale Works. Pretty good. I liked it. I liked the uniqueness of those strong beers. Strong beers were very, very nice. I mean, they didn't taste strong at all, and that's what I liked about it. Because usually, like, strong beers, you could tell they're strong, you know, and you feel it, like, after one beer, you feel it. But here, I mean, I'm sure you'll feel it after one beer, but at least you don't taste the alcohol percentage in the beer. And yeah, the place is awesome. That's it, everyone. The day is over. We went to Bold City Brewery, had some delicious mixed beers there. Then we went to Matthews, had some fine dining food. Went to Orsay, had some Foie Gras. And then we came here to Intuition Ale Works and had strong beers. Next time you come to Florida, gotta visit Jacksonville. It's pretty amazing. I've lived here my whole life, in Florida, in Miami, and I haven't been to Jacksonville. I mean, it is a 6-hour drive, only a 45-minute flight, so it's a no-brainer to come for a weekend, you know? I hope you guys love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you guys in the next travel adventure. See you. Peace.